Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. This is the trailer for the exclusive Patreon tutorial for this month. Today we're doing this month we're doing the false belly Fishtail Sanctified knot. Bit of a mouthful. Another awesome kind of design and variation by Makumbet. You can actually check out his picture tutorial of that, but of course, for you lucky Patreon supporters, you'll be getting this in full video form. So if you want to see that video, it is up on the Patreon feed. The link will be in the post there, and of course you have to be supporting at the $3 per month level or more, and you can get access to this tutorial. And so for those of you who aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to support this channel. If you want access to the exclusive monthly tutorial and the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out my Patreon page, and if you want to support and reap those rewards, feel free to try it out. And of course, as always, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters, old and new. You guys are really making a huge difference, because YouTube, it really is kind of all over the place right now, and it's hard to get that kind of consistency with YouTube in terms of the support. And it's nice to have you guys supporting me, very consistently on Patreon. So I really appreciate that, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Alright, so that is it, and I will see you on the other side.